Greetings, it's Shanique. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make some crispy, sweet and spicy tofu. So the first thing you're going to do is marinate your tofu. I'm using Extra Firm Tofu. I'm using some soy sauce. You can use coconut aminos if you have that, or if you don't want to use too much soy. And what I'm doing is I'm rotating the tofu so that it can be fully absorbed by the sauce. Then I'm going to cut it up into squares. You could do it, well, this is more like rectangle. You could do it in whatever shape that you prefer. Now I'm going to just flip them around so that the soy sauce could fully absorb inside of the tofu. I'm going to transfer my tofu to another bowl where we're going to dust it. We're going to dust it with some cornstarch. I'm using this non-GMO cornstarch that I bought in Whole Foods. It's a 365 brand. Now we're going to put the cornstarch all over it. And we're going to just, turn it around in our hands to make sure that it's fully coated. Here I'm adding some more because the tofu at the bottom didn't have enough cornstarch. So I'm just adding that, toss it around. Now I'm adding my tofu to some olive oil, a heated olive oil in my cast iron pan. You could find this pan on my Amazon storefront. I will leave the link up below. So we're going to fry the tofu evenly on all sides. If you could notice already, you could see how crispy it already is. So the cornstarch really does the trick and to get some nice crispy tofu. So we're gonna flip that over, fry it evenly on all sides, and look how beautifully golden brown that is. I'm gonna remove the tofu from the pot, put it on the plate, and we're gonna make our sauce. So for the sauce, I'm going to use this roasted pineapple and habanero sauce that I found in Costco. I'm going to put some in my container here, and we're going to mix it up really nice with some organic ketchup, which I bought from Trader Joe's, some rice vinegar, just a smidge, pure sesame oil, some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. I'm using mild. We're going to give that a mix to fully incorporate and infuse all the flavors together. Now I'm going to use a little bit of tapioca starch. You could also use cornstarch if that's what you have. And what this is going to do is going to really gel the sauce together. I'm going to mix it with some coconut milk, some organic coconut milk I bought in Whole Foods. If you don't have coconut milk, you could use some water instead. And we're going to stretch the sauce and give it a nice little rich creaminess from the coconut milk. So we're going to whip that together. Here I'm adding some more of the pineapple sauce to it, to get that nice flavor going. So today the vegetable I'm going to use is fennel. Now this plant is native to the Mediterranean area. It's actually a part of the carrot family. I thought it would be part of the onion family by the way it looks. It's low in calorie and it's a good source of calcium, iron, magnesium, protein, and dietary fiber. This vegetable is also perfect for a raw salad. Now the next step is I'm going to add some garlic to my pan along with the fennel. So we added the fennel and we're going to let that caramelize. That will bring out its flavor. I'm going to add some carrots, some yellow and red onions, and we're going to mix that in. Now I'm going to add my sauce to this mix. We're just going to spread it all over there And we're gonna add some sweet peppers. I have some yellow, orange, and red sweet peppers. We're just gonna mix that in there. And now we're going to add the tofu. I like to add the tofu last so that it doesn't get soggy. The sauce doesn't like break away the crust. So we're just going to mix that around to make sure that the sauce gets all over and into the tofu, so you know it's just nice. So I'm just going to sprinkle over a little bit of coconut aminos to enhance the flavors of the food. To finish it off, I'm just going to add some chopped scallions. And my favorite side dish, of course, we're going to fry up some plantains until they're golden brown. Look at that. No meal is complete if you don't have that plantain on the side along with a little piece of pear. Not true? Okay, so I had some quinoa left over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some onions and spinach into my pan, and I'm going to add some leftover quinoa that I had from the previous night. So we're just going to add a little soy sauce. We're just going to give it a mix until the spinach is wilted. And there you have it. Quick and easy. And there you have it. Quick, easy, tasty, delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. You know, thanks for all the support that I'm getting from all of you. Have a blessed day.